السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Describe him to me and Muslims. Look at the description of your Rasul. And for some this would be the first time you hear what's your Prophet looked like. I saw a man of striking appearance, ظاهر الوضاء أبلج الوجه, radiant face, حسن الخلق, beautifully created, لم تعبه السجلة, his belly wasn't protruding, ولم تسر به السعلة, nor was his head disproportionate or small, وسيم قصيم, proportionate and delicate, finely made, a specimen of a creation, في عينيه دعج, in his eyes there was a contrast. The dark was immensely dark, and the white was excessively white. وَفِي أَشْفَارِهِ وَطَفْ, and his eyelashes were long. وَفِي صَوْتِهِ سَحَل, and his voice was a natural echo. وَفِي عُنُقِهِ سَطَح, and his neck was elegantly long. وَفِي لِحْيَتِهِ كَثَاثَةٌ, his beard was full and thick. أَزَجْ أَقْرَنْ, his eyebrows were arched, but they were not joined. It was separated. In صَمَتْ فَعَلَيْهِ الْوَقَارِ, when he was silent, dignity covered him. وَإِن تَكَلَّمَ سَمَاهُ وَعَلَاهُ الْبَهَاءِ, when he spoke, it was audible and clear, almost commanding and overtaking. أَجْمَلَ النَّاسِ وَأَبْهَاهُمْ مِنْ بَعِيدٍ, from afar the most striking and outstanding in appearance. وَأَحْسَنُهُمْ وَأَجْمَلُهُمْ مِنْ قَرِيبٍ, when he came near, the best of them and the most handsome of them in closeness. حُلْوُ الْمَنْطِقِ, so such an exalted and sweet level of logic. Like when he used to speak, it was so coherently logical, it was smooth and easy to understand. فَصْلٌ لَا نَظْرٌ وَلَا حَظٌ, he was to the point, not excessive, nor too short. كَأَنَّ مَنْطِقَهُ حَرَزَاتُ نَظْمٍ يَتَحَدَّرْنَ, his logic, his utterances, his words were like jewels coming out of a necklace, calculated, polished one after the other. It would flow magically. رَبَعَةٌ, he was medium in height. Your eye didn't have to strain to look up at him, nor was it tedious to look down at him. He was a comfortable sight to look at. لَهُ رُفَقَاء يَحُفُّونَ بِهِ, he had friends, the people that were with him, they were working around him to try to serve and protect him. إِذْ قَالَ سَمِعُوا لِقَوْلِهِ, when he used to say something, they used to hearken to what he used to say. وَإِنْ أَمَرَ تَبَادَهُ إِلَىٰ أَمْرِهِ, when he commanded, they used to compete to fulfill the command. This is Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu anhu says, he said, I came out one night, it was the full moon night, and I looked at the moon. In the desert, understand, the moon is an awesome sight. It is smooth, it is clear, it is radiant, it is beautiful. So I said, let me go see if the moon is more handsome or my Prophet is more handsome. If the moon is more beautiful or my Prophet is more beautiful. So I went and I saw him standing afar. So I looked at his face, then I looked at the moon. Then I looked at his face, then I looked at the moon. Then I looked at his face, then I looked at the moon. And he says, Wallahi, he was more beautiful than the moon in its entirety. That is just the look of your Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Aisha radiyallahu anha says, I was sewing with needle. My needle dropped in the dark. I couldn't find it. I said, Ya Rasulullah, I can't find it. He moved his face close, and I swear about of the radiance of his face I found my needle. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.